Hi catchers, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm starting a new series on my channel and it's going to be a cooking series, and I kind of got the idea from something I posted on my IG stories, which please follow me on Instagram. It's at eyedavenport. That's where you'll see everything first about what I'm doing on my channel, or just different things about fashion, beauty. It all goes to my Instagram first and then I'll bring a video to YouTube. But me and my husband, we moved into a new place, and so for our first night in our new place I wanted to cook something, just do something nice. So I posted the entire cooking segment. I posted my whole time making dinner on my IG stories, and a lot of my friends, were DMing me like, girl, that looks so good, like, they really enjoyed it. And I posted it all to my highlights and saved it. And my cousin, I was on the phone with her, and she was saying you should start a series on your channel about different cooking ideas that you do. And my mom, definitely echoed that idea, because I love to cook. I love to try new things. And being a millennial wife, I like to make meals that are easy, that are quick, because I don't have a lot of time to spend in the kitchen because I'm tired because I work all day. And, just other things going on in my life. So I am going to try to bring you guys different ideas for recipes, also quick ideas, some of your regular classics like salads, and try to make them a little bit more fun and exciting, and not just your regular greens and dressing. And I just wanted to try out something different on my channel, so please let me know if you like it. If you do, please like this video, subscribe, comment below, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. This will be Sunday's Cooking with Ivy. Tonight for dinner we are making, I am making bacon salmon burgers, which these I get from my local food store, which is Wegmans, but you can definitely make them yourself. I will leave a recipe below on how to make them yourselves. I have done it myself, but this is just easier and saves me a lot of time. I'm making roasted Brussels sprouts, which I will show you how to make those, and also quinoa with mushrooms and onions. This will elevate your regular quinoa dish. So let's get started. Okay, so I get my Brussels sprouts whole in a bag, and then I will just chop them in half. And so this is just that. I'll speed through this. Okay, so now that we have all our Brussels sprouts chopped in half, you want to just lay them out in a flat layer in the pan. And we're going to drizzle with olive oil. We'll season it with garlic. And I like a lot of garlic. The tiniest touch of salt. And then we're going to really crack some pepper. For my salt, I do like the Himalayan pink salt. I really like to use that. And also we juice 1 lemon. This juicer is from Williams-Sonoma. We got it as a wedding gift. I will leave it below. I love it. It's affordable and it works so good. And then what you want to do is just mix them around, make sure everybody got coated with lemon juice, seasonings, and the olive oil. And then we're placing this in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Okay, and while the Brussels sprouts are roasting, I'm going to start on my quinoa. So I get the organic red quinoa from Trader Joe's, and I just follow directions on the package on how to make it. So I'm going to make a little bit extra of this because normally I will have the portions when it's just me cooking, and I'll have some left over for myself. But since I'm making it for me and my husband, I'm going to do what the serving size says. So I do, it is 1 cup of quinoa, 2 cups of water, and it makes quite a large serving. So we will have extra for tomorrow. So once the quinoa reaches a boil, it will simmer for 15 minutes. And a tip that I have for Cooking is just to always be multitasking. So while one thing is cooking, prep your other stuff so that it can all be done at the same time, and that it's good to go quickly, so that you're not spending, you know, just one time on this and that. So yeah, so the quinoa is going to boil. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up my mushrooms and onions for the quinoa to be sauteed, and then I'm going to start my salmon burgers. So I would say get about a 1 medium-sized onion and just chop it up. Alright, so I just diced up my onion pretty small, and then I'm going to rinse off the mushrooms, and I already get them chopped, so that's what they look like. They're already chopped, and you can just buy them in the pack from any grocery store, and boom. So I'll show you what I do with my onions and mushrooms in a second. So for the salmon burgers, you want to put them on medium heat. You want to make sure you get your pan nice and hot before you put it in, so that it can start to grill quickly and easily. Just gonna throw them down, and you let those grill for 5 minutes on each side. So now I'm going to make my mushrooms and onions, and I'm going to add to the quinoa once it's done. You can hear the salmon sizzling over there. So first, put some olive oil in the pan. I'll let that heat up just a little bit. I'm gonna add some minced garlic. I just get it already minced in the jar, just because it's quick and easy. That's what we're all about here. And I like extra garlic. Okay, so while the garlic is sizzling, you want it to cook down just a little bit. I'm gonna add some red pepper, just crushed red pepper. So I like a little bit of a kick. My husband likes spicy food. A touch of the pink salt and some pepper. And as my secret ingredient, I like to add oregano. You know, all that cooked together just about a minute or so. You can do a little less than a minute. And let's add in our mushrooms and onions. I put them in at the same time, and you just want to saute them until the onions are translucent and the mushrooms brown. You can see that back there. My salmon burgers are done. They look great. And took them off the eye. Quinoa is still simmering. And the Brussels sprouts have about 30 seconds left in them. I'm getting ready to take those out. Finish up the quinoa. And I will show you guys how it all comes together in a second. Eye catchers, this is the completed meal. You see that I mixed my onions and mushrooms with the quinoa, salmon burger, the roasted Brussels sprouts, and I'm skipping the bun for the salmon burger. I'll see if my husband wants a bun or not. Usually he doesn't. And yeah, this is our meal. Quick and easy, and in about 35 minutes. We got something that looks gourmet, that was really quick and easy and very healthy for you. And eye catchers, that is my completed meal. Thank you guys so much for spending Sunday with Ivy while I'm cooking. And let me know what you want to see down below in the comments. I can't wait to show you what next Sunday's meal will be like. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. See you guys on the next video.